A very good morning, students. In the previous videos, we have discussed the Clara's equation, right? In a non-linear differential equation, right? So, in a linear differential equation, we have discussed the three methods. One is linear differential equation, and another is equation reducible to linear, that is Bernoulli's form, and the exact differential equation, right? Okay. So in a nonlinear differential equation, there are four methods. So means equation solvable for p, solvable for x, solvable for y, and Clairaut's equation. We already studied this equation solvable for p and the Clairaut's equation in the last videos, right? Now we are going to study the equation solvable for x. Okay. So here also we are considering the first order differential equation, that's of the form f of x comma y comma p is equal to 0. You all are familiar about what is p, right? The p is nothing but dy by dx. If it is solvable for x, we can write the given equation in the form of x is equal to something. X is equal to the f of y comma p form. So we call this as equation 1. After separating the equation in the form of x is equal to something, after that we have to differentiate that equation with respect to y. So after that we will get dx by dy in the left hand side. We will get some function in the right hand side depending on the function what they have given in the problem, right? Okay. So after that we will get equation. Then you solve that equation. After solving that equation means solving that equation means either it may be a variable separable form or it may be a linear differential equation form. Depending on that condition you can solve it. So after solving that we have to separate the p value. We want to find out the p value. After finding the p value you substitute the value of p in the equation 1. Okay. So this is the way of solving the differential equation solvable for x. What is the method? First you separate the equation, means x is equal to something. After that you differentiate the equation with respect to y, and depending on the condition you solve that equation. After that you separate the p value, then you substitute the p value in the given equation 1. Clear? Okay. So first we will discuss one problem related to this equation solvable for x. So I have taken this, you see, y is equal to 2px minus yp square. What is that first condition? We have to separate x term, right? So in this equation we can write 2px. I'm keeping this as it is. I'm taking this yp square into this side. So I'll get y plus yp square. So 2px is equal to y plus yp square. Yp square. I want only the x value in the left hand side. So I am taking this 2p to the right hand side. What I'll get? 2x is equal to y by p and y by yp square by p. So yp you will get. Okay. So what is that? After separating, if you want you can take this 2 also this side. So if you want to take this 2 it will become y by 2p and y by yp by 2. Okay, it's not a problem. So after this separation what we have to do? We have to do the differentiation with respect to y, right? Okay. So with respect to y, 1 minute, 2x, 2 is a constant. The differentiation of x is dx by dy. We are differentiating this equation with respect to y. Okay. So here product rule you can apply, or else you can apply the quotient rule. Here I have applied the product rule, 1 by p into y. Okay. I am taking the product 1 by p into y. Okay. 1 by p into the differentiation of y is 1 minus y into the differentiation of 1 by p. The differentiation of 1 by p is 1 by p square minus 1 by p square. Here the plus becomes minus. minus 1 by p square into dp by dy. Okay, this one. Next, here also you can apply the product rule. Y, the differentiation of p is dp by dy plus p into the differentiation of y is 1. Okay, so this is the equation we got. Clear? P into differentiation of y is 1 plus y into the differentiation of p is dp by dy. Then you can separate like terms. Means you all are familiar about what is the value of dy by dx. dy by dx is nothing but p. So what happens dx by dy? It is a reciprocal of dy by dx, right? So it becomes 1 over p. Rest of the things are as it is. Clear? So in the next step, what I did, I am taking the like terms. Means all the constant terms one side, and the derivative terms in one side. Okay, 2 by p. I am taking this 1 by p to this side. So I'll get 1 minus 1 by p. Okay, and this p to this side. So it will become minus. Clear? So my minus uh, y into 1 by p square dp by dy plus y into dp by dy, the right hand side terms as it is. So then this 2 by p minus 1 by p, 2 minus 1 is 1 by p, right? Minus p as it is. Then here the things are as it is in the right hand side. Here y into dp by dy is a common term, right, in the right hand side. So if I take outside y into dp by dy, so 1, here minus is there, so that's what I'm written then in the second term. So minus 1 by p square, right? Okay. If I take minus outside, so what I'll get 1 by p square minus 1. Here only you can write, if I take minus outside, you will write directly this step, not necessary to write this. Okay? Okay. So I'm taking this term right hand side term into left hand side. So I'll get this negative becomes positive. Okay. You see these terms are constant here. Okay. 1 by p square minus 1 and 1 by p square minus 1 is the common term. I'm writing one time. So next remaining term is p here and plus y into dp by dy is equal to 0. Right? So next here I am considering only the second term because the first term is not containing any derivative. So I am neglecting that first term. I am considering the second term to find out the solution. So p into p plus y into dp by dy is equal to 0, neglecting the first term because the term is not containing the derivatives. So I go for this variable separable form. In the variable separable form, what we will do? We can separate the terms, right? We can separate p term one side and y term one side. I have separated this. Okay. Then I go for the integration both the sides. I'll get log p plus log y. Integration of 1 over p is log p and this is log y. Both the terms are in log, so that's what I'm taking the constant in terms of log. Log a plus log b is equal to log ab, right? So in the similar way, the log p plus log y is log py here and is equal to log c. Log get cancelled both the sides, so we will get py is equal to c. After finding the solution, what we have to do? We have to find out the p value. So by using this solution, I can write the p value. P is equal to c by y, right? Okay, where we have to substitute this p value in the equation 1. We have separated now x is equal to something. In that equation, we have to substitute this value. Clear? Okay, this is our equation 1. I am substituting this c by y. Wherever there is p, I am substituting c by y. Okay, I am simplifying this. Okay, I got the equation finally. Y square plus c square minus 2cx is equal to 0. This is the general solution. Clear? Got it? Okay. Only the thing, the equation is given, means the equation ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ equation ನ you have to write in the form of x is equal to something. You can write the means x ನ separate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಥರ equation ಬರ್ಕೊಬೇಕು. So after that differentiate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು with respect to y. Okay. After that you can find out the solution depending on the method. So then you can find out the p value. ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಪಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಆ ಪಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಎ ಜನರಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಓಕೆ. Okay, so next we move on to the second problem. I have considered the second problem, y square log y is equal to xpy plus p square. Here also the same thing, right? First what we have to do? What we have to do? We should write x is equal to something. By using this equation, I am taking this equation here only. I am taking this p square into this side. Okay. Y square log y minus p square I'll get. Then I want only the x. So this py I'm taking the denominator. So what I'll get? Y square log y by py minus p square by py. After simplification we got like this equation. We call this equation as 1. After separating that what we will do? Yes, we have to differentiate the equation with respect to y. You see, this differentiation of x with respect to y means dx by dy. Here, here also I am applying the product rule 1 by p, and if you are going to differentiate the numerator part, here also again you have to apply the product rule, right? 1 by p y log y into the differentiation of log y is 1 by y, right? Then log y into the differentiation of y is 1. Okay. Okay, the numerator part is over. Then numerator into the denominator. Numerator you write as it is plus numerator into the 1 over p differentiation is minus 1 by p square dp by dy. Okay, here minus is there, you write minus. Here also I am applying the product rule. If you are comfortable with the quotient rule, you can apply that. I am applying here the product rule. I am taking 1 over y into p like a product. Okay, so here 1 over y is the first term. The differentiation of p with respect to y is dp by dy minus p into 1 over y differentiation is minus 1 by y square. Okay, this y have taken outside the complete bracket. This minus is applicable for both the terms. Okay, in the next step what I did, this dx by dy is a reciprocal of dy by dx. So dy by dx is nothing but 1 by p. So sorry, dy by dx is nothing but p. So the reciprocal becomes 1 by p. So 1 by p, this y get cancelled, I'll get 1 here, and y log y, the things as it is in the these two terms. Okay, so the same thing what we will do, we separate the like terms and the differential term one side, right? I am 1 over p, I am taking these two terms into this side, and here also without derivative, so minus p by y square, minus of minus becomes plus, right? Plus equals in the ಈ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ minus p by y square. The remaining term is y log y this term and minus 1 over y into dp by dy. Okay, then you can simplify 1 over p minus 1 over p get cancelled. We'll get only minus 1 by p into log y minus p by y square is the remaining term in the left hand side. And here right hand side I am not changing anything. In the next step I am keep it as it is. So here I am taking dp by dy outside. If I take dp by dy outside in the right hand side, what I'll get? Minus also outside. So minus also outside. Y log y. Okay, here both the side minus are there. So if I take minus also outside, y log y plus 1 over y. Okay, in the left hand side, what we will get? You see log y by p minus p by y square we will get. Okay. If I take minus outside, if I take minus outside, 1 minute, here not possible. Okay, let it be. So I have to convert this term in form of this. So that's what I am multiplying p by y. Okay. If I multiplying the equation by p by y, sorry, I'm taking the common p by y. What I'll get here, y log y by p square. Okay, here p is there. If I take p outside, it will get multiplied by this p, right? So plus 1 over y. I am taking minus p by outside in these two terms. Okay, so minus and minus get cancelled, p by y. This I am taking this term into this side. So minus get cancelled. Positive is there. If I take positive term to this side, it will become negative. Clear? Okay. So then these two terms are common. Write it in one time. The remaining term is p by y minus dp by dy is equal to 0. Here also I am considering the second term. I am neglecting the first term because the first term don't have any derivative term, right? Okay. So I am considering the second term p by y minus dp by dy is equal to 0. Again we go for variable separable form. Dy by y is equal to dp by p. Then on integration we are getting log y is equal to log p plus log c. Y is equal to pc. We want p value, right? We want to find out the p value. So p is equal to y by c. We have to substitute this y by c in equation 1. So this is our equation 1. You can substitute the p value y by c and your y by c by y. So simplified this. I got the value x is equal to c log y minus 1 by c. This is our general solution. Okay. And one more thing here I want to explain. You see here we can there are methods are there. Here you can no need to separate. You can take this minus is equal to 0. Then you can log p in this side only. So you will get log y minus log p is equal to log c. That's also correct. No problem. No problem. Okay, this method is also correct and that's also correct. Don't get panic. Oh, that is wrong or this is wrong like that. Okay. Okay, so this is the method equation solvable for x. Okay, if you want more problems, you go through the textbooks. Um, and one more method is remaining here. So that is solvable for y. In the next video, I will send that. After that, only one topic is remaining, that is orthogonal trajectories. In one or two video means after solving the solvable for y, after that I want only the two videos regarding my portions. I'll complete my portions. After finishing my portions, if the college is not started, I'll give an assignment, means I will give an thing like this. You have to give a presentation online. I will assign the things. So let me wait. I think I will finish my portions within 20 days. Let me wait after that what I'll do. Okay. Okay. I'm observing in the YouTube the views are very less. Um, it's too bad. Um, I don't want to give any explanation or any what mm, means any comment on this. So you people only the sufferer and you people only the losers. Okay. Okay. So if you are those who are interested, you can go through the videos and to copy the notes and all. And after 20 days, if the college will not start, definitely I will assign the presentation, not for anything. I will assign the presentation. You have to teach online. Okay, you have to give a presentation online. Okay, I will assign the things. I suppose each topic or one problem for one student. You have to explain the things. Okay, okay. Wait and see. And prepare for your exams. They are telling they in the means in the month of July they are conducting the first semester exams. So not sure. Uh, don't waste your time. Prepare for the exams. Don't take it as granted. You will pass without exams. Okay. Definitely you will means suffer in the future days if you are not having any exams uh, like that, right? It is definitely you will difficulty in getting the jobs also in higher education also you will face so many problems if you are not having exams. Think of that. Don't enjoy the present situation. Okay, think of future. Prepare for your exams. Okay, okay, and take care of your health and stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Thanks for listening.